Hi, welcome to the Changes TV. My name is Jessica Jifa Mensah, and today our topic of discussion is going to be robotics engineering. Basically, robotics engineering is a field of science and engineering. So, to become a robotics engineer, you need your an academic aspect of yourself before you even think of your practical aspect. So, you have to go to school, preschool, junior high, senior high, and then you further in robotics in the university. If you want to go on further, that one you can do it. Some countries that are actually good at are well known for actually like making robots and stuff are a country like Singapore, the US, North Korea. Those there are a lot of countries out there, and like actually robots actually help make our work easier. They help us relax. It helps release boredom and all sorts of things, and they actually also help in productivity. In countries that they use robots, you could see that their rate of productivity is high. Thereby, they are able to develop their country easier and faster. And it gets to a point that even robots are even currently used in hospitals, where instead of nurses trooping in taking care of people, robots are being used to take care of the people. And I know in some years to come, we won't even have to stress ourselves again, because like everything we're going to do is going to be so easy and just like easy for everyone, every child. You don't need to stress again. I'm sure very soon we won't be using books, we won't be using phones. We just have maybe a wristwatch or something, and then the books will be appearing, all thanks to our robotics engineer. Currently, in current like database, robotics engineers are actually paid about $70,000 every month. That's actually about 144,000 a year. That's actually huge. Yes, that's very huge. So if you want to actually become a robotics engineer, is good. And the basic things you have to know about being a robotics engineer is you have to be creative. You have to be able to manipulate technology. So you have to have your basic technological skills like operating a computer, operating a phone. Yes, you should also be able to repair and also try and manufacture one or two things. And also, you can also become a very good robotics engineer if you know how to speak the computer language. An example of a computer language is using the Python. You could use that to actually communicate with the computer and then manipulate it, and then yeah, get your stuff. And it's not easy to be a robotics engineer. Being a robotics engineer, one quality you must have is patience, because you try and it doesn't work. As a robotics engineer, trying is actually a hobby. You try and try to get there. It's easier to get there than to try and give up. There is one thing that always keep people motivated in this life is if you fall down once doesn't mean it's the end of the world. There's always another tomorrow. So far as the sun shines your path, you can make it. So as a robotics engineer, you have to try, and you make it. That is it. Basically, engineering is about trying errors, making it right, and then straighten it up. Yes, so you have to consider all these things. Consider the safety of your people. Consider the people who are going to use it, so that what maybe the robot that are going to make, if toddlers are the ones using it, you don't have to make it so complicated that even if you tell the toddler, if you press this button, that's what's going to happen, and then like you just have to do it so that it will be easy for everyone to use. Literate, illiterate, everyone will be able to use. Even disabled people can even use it. Yes, so basically that's all about like robotics engineering. It's actually a fun course to offer in the university, even like in colleges. It's just fun. Robotics engineering is about working with fun, making yourself productive, and then just giving everything out. Being a robotics engineer, I trust you. It's very good. You can actually be a robotics engineer, and then the money you're getting, you'll be there and be like, oh my god, like thank you so much, God, for all that you've done for me. But guys, but the one thing you should know about being a robotics engineer is that you have to be faithful, loyal, and patient. If you're not patient, you're not faithful, you're not loyal, you end up destroying your career and you end up on the way, because no one started robotics and then just got there and everything I do is right. I fix it. Sometimes the robots you even create crack and even turn against you, and you have to deactivate it. Ibap. Yeah. So some robots are actually even used for war nowadays, like people fighting wars. Yeah, Russia, Ukraine, their wars, like almost every typical war. Yes. So yeah, they use it for fighting wars, for protecting. It's actually meant for protecting, not for killing. But as you know, we are human. We have to protect ourselves, and it ends up in killing and destroying. That's all part of it. Yes. So I urge everyone out there who is into technology to try and offer robotics engineering in their university. Trust me, you never regret it. Thank you very much for watching me. Once again, my name is Jessica Mensa. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you.